We're gonna put a new head on this string trimmer. You bump this on the ground, it extends out the string. This is a battery powered 60-volt Toro with a flex force line. Remove the original head, pop off the top, out the spool. Shaft will need to remove a snap ring tool. We'll remove the washer. We'll hold the plastic ring nice and secure with these pliers. Spin everything off with a screwdriver. In case it was a little more stubborn, so I went back here and clamped onto the main flywheel. With everything tight, I can break it loose. There's a nut in here that will spin off like this. So we can remove the old head. On the new head, we'll pop off the lid. Threads, we'll thread it on. Different threads on these, and this does not match. Squeeze the tabs, pull off the back with the spring. Remove the spool. Here we've got the threaded piece that needs to pop out and put the other one in. We'll tap out the old one, place it with the one with the correct thread. Put the new nut in, spin it on, verify that the threads are good. We'll put everything back together. This little gap, I've noticed, does give you some problems. It's almost like they should put a piece of foam in there, and I may look around for a piece of foam, take it apart and put a piece of foam in there. If not, all kinds of grass and string gets all wound up in there. Might fit in there real nice. Polyethylene, really durable. Use a circle cutter to cut it out. Pull this out, put a bigger hole in it, slide it on the shaft. I already had it apart. It's not going to be as difficult to remove. Make sure the shaft is really clean. Foam in place. Put the spacer back in. Spin the threads back in. It's nice and tight, and there's no gap in there. A snap ring back into place. Move the clamp, place the snap ring back into the groove. Use a screwdriver and make sure that it is in fact in the groove. The string from the spool, place the spool in, put the top into place until it snaps. Clip into place. The little arrow needs to line up with the hole. It'll be open on both sides. You can see the daylight on the other side. Place the string back in, let it go all the way through. Out the other side, pull it halfway through. Hold the two ends and pull it so you have 50% on either side. Push in and ratchet this thing all the way around. So you have the string here, and if it's too long, it'll be cut by this blade. Put the top back on, and really tighten up the screws. I am able to get that gap out of there. It's going to save me a lot of time and stuff twisting around there. Get it out, give it a try. Initially, I find that the foam is a little bit too thick, so I'm going to cut a little bit of it out. Too tight, it won't spin up the motor. Shaving it out so it moves easier. If you've ever had to pull this or unwind the grass, then you know why I'm fighting for this concept so much. Using it for a while, this foam ring is not perfect because it still winds up grass. May be an improvement, but we'll see how it goes.